welcome to Doris and Daddy Off-Road. Today we're changing the oil on our Jeep Cherokee Extra. Step 1. Wear the appropriate clothing. Park your vehicle in a safe place and jack it up if necessary. Gather your tools and supplies.
Our Jeep needed a 5/8 wrench for the drain plug. Your vehicle might be different.
Remove the drain plug and let the oil drain out.
Nice.
Remove the oil filter.
If you have any trouble removing the oil filter, an oil filter wrench might come in handy.
Never install an oil filter with this wrench.
You can just tighten it by hand.
Once the oil is done draining, replace the oil plug. Step 7. Install a new oil filter.
Dip your finger in some fresh oil and put it on the threads and the seal.
Fill your vehicle with the appropriate amount of oil.
Your Majesty. Start your vehicle and let it run for a minute.
Check the level of the oil and top it off if needed. Looks good. Last step. Clean up your mess. Finally. Well, that about wraps it up.
Hey Doris, can we add some stuff to the video about like the history of oil changes or maybe the
Daddy!
science of...
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Doris, you are in so much trouble. Get me out of here.
If you like this video, press like. If you want to see more, subscribe. If you want to see us do something in particular, comment down below. Also, follow us on Instagram. Bye!